For me, I think success is your own set goals and what you want to achieve. And how you achieve that, the journey, it's up to you. But being able to set goals and to do what you want to do in your life and reach that goal, I believe that's what success is. My name is Andy Vu. I'm the customer service rep and inventory control here. So customer service rep, I'm kind of the face of the company to our customers. So I'm the first direct contact, and I'm also the inventory control. So I am in charge of all the material goods here, and I oversee the inventory accuracy of that. We make a lot of automotive glass here. To manufacture something tangible and like to be a part of the process of creating that and seeing it on the street or something live, like in person, you can be like proud of it, you know, because you're saying, hey, I seen that, like that glass on that vehicle there. Like I helped part of the manufacturing of that. I've been in the company for just a little bit over 6 years now. So I was initially hired to be a production line worker. From there was an opportunity in the supply chain department for a logistics clerk. And from there, the new position opened for a second shift warehouse lead. They're all kind of intertwined. Once you understand the basics of the production and then how the warehouse works, you can kind of see the timing of things and how it smoothly runs and what difficulties that they ran into at that time. And as a person in the customer service role that kind of schedule things and kind of help support and oversees the warehouse, I'm able to help facilitate to make things easier for them and smoother, more efficient. That's what I enjoy about this company is just room for growth. I've kind of grown to like really enjoy the supply chain side. It's very difficult and fast paced, but I see myself as a problem solver. If you think that you know everything already, you don't really grow anymore, you stop growing. So I think having that humbleness and being a student is a huge stepping stone to help, you know, like motivate you through your life and through your career. I would say definitely look into Saint-Gobain. There's so many different sectors here. If you really want to push for it and like kind of take the time to really learn and understand the process of everything, there's a lot of opportunity there. Manufacturing itself, I think it's very rewarding. I'm grateful for Saint-Gobain for allowing me to grow and learn as much as I can and to be moved around to these different positions and to end up to the current role that I'm currently at now.